Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix. You have downloads on too many devices. Please remove downloads from another device or go to netflix.com and this link for plain option. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you want to download any movie or any series on Netflix and facing this issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, as you can see here, when I am going to download this again and again facing this problem, so guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to check for update of your Netflix. So guys, how can you check for update? Simply you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and guys, after this here you need to search Netflix. So guys, after searching it, you have to open your app and guys, check for update. If your app is not updated, simply you have to update first, and guys, after doing this you have to go back. And guys, secondly you have to open your Netflix again, and guys, after this you have to click on open your ID, and guys, you need to open your my Netflix. And guys, after this you have to click on here as the option of downloads. Simply you have to open your list, and guys, if you have downloaded already many of series or many of movies, simply you have to remove all the movies from here firstly. So guys, for example, I am going to remove this one. Simply you have to click on cancel or remove your movie, all the movies. And guys, after this simply you have to download new movie or new series, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.